Hello everyone. Are you wondering what gender void means? Let's explore. Gender void refers to a gender identity where someone feels they have no gender at all. It's a term used by people who experience a complete absence of gender, rather than identifying as male, female, or even non-binary. Gender void individuals might describe their gender as being a void, where there is no sense of connection to any gender category. This identity challenges the idea that everyone must have a gender, offering a way to express a gender experience that is defined by its absence. In essence, being gender void is about identifying with the lack of gender, embracing a state of being where gender does not play a role in one's identity. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.